Our skeletal system is a framework of bones and joints. Today we will learn about joints in human body. A place where two bones meet is called a joint. There are many joints in our body. Ligaments are tough tissues that hold bones together at joints. The joints in the skull and joints of the hip girdle are immovable joints. Most joints in the body are movable and allow for a wide range of movements. A substance present in the joints helps the bone to move freely. There are 4 types of movable joints, and they are ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joint, and gliding joints. Now, hinge joint. This joint allows movement only in one direction. It is similar to the hinge on a door or a window. The joints in our elbow, knees, and fingers are of this type. Ball and socket joint. This joint allows maximum movement. The round ball-like end of a bone fits into the socket of another bone. This helps us to rotate or swing the bone in all directions. The joints where the limb join the shoulder and hip girdles are of this type. Pivot joint. This joint allows for some amount of circular motion. A pivot joint between the first and second vertebrae helps the skull to move from side to side and up and down. Next, gliding joint. This joint allows some movement. The joints between the vertebrae and in the wrist and ankles belong to this type. Such joints allow us to twist, turn, and bend. Muscles. Muscles pull the bones and help the body move. Muscles are attached to bones by strong fibers called tendons. There are about 650 muscles in the body which allow different kinds of movement. There are 3 types of muscles. Muscles whose movement we can control are called voluntary muscles. The muscles in the arms and legs are voluntary muscles. Muscles that work on their own and whose movement we can't control are called involuntary muscles. The muscles in the foot pipe and stomach are of this type. The muscles in the heart are called cardiac muscles. They work without rest throughout our life, but they function like involuntary muscles. How do muscles work? Muscles work by pulling a bone. 2 separate muscles are needed to move a joint. While one muscle contracts or shortens, the other muscle relaxes. When you bend your arm, the muscle on the upper side of the upper arm contracts and the muscle on the underside of the underarm relaxes. When you straighten your arm, the reverse happens. Now, important point to keep bones and muscles strong. Therefore, you need to maintain correct posture while sitting or standing. You need to keep your spine straight. Exercise regularly to keep your muscles fit and toned. Take enough rest so that damaged or tired muscles and tissues can recover. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals.